Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to add social media links in your Google My Business profile listing. Let me tell you that adding social media links in your Google My Business listing is a feature that is provided by Google, and as of now that feature is a beta feature. It is not available in all profiles, right? That particular feature is under testing, is under experiment mode, and is not available on all profiles, right? As you can see, if I talk about this business listing and if I edit it, then adding social media link option is not available over here, right? But if I talk about this business listing and I click on this edit profile button, then social profile feature is available over here, and it is a new feature and it is a beta feature, right? Google is experimenting on this particular feature, so it might happen that in your business listing that particular feature is not available. So don't be panicked, that particular feature would be live soon on all Google business profiles. Else there is another way also through which Google adds your business profile links, social media profile links in your business listing. In that particular method, you just need to create your Instagram account, or you just need to create your LinkedIn account, Facebook page, right? And just wait, right? Google spiders and robots will crawl the internet and crawl the web, and whenever they come to know that your business already have social media profiles, then they would link those profiles with your Google My Business listing, and we can't do anything with that. You can either take support from the Google support team. That particular process is automatic, like Google spiders and robots will crawl the internet, and whenever they fetches your social media profile links, then they would automatically update those social media links to your business. In that case, you just need to make sure that your business NAP consistency is there, right? Means if you're creating social media profiles like Facebook page, Instagram account, or like YouTube channel, then make sure that business name is same everywhere, business address is same everywhere, and business phone number is same everywhere. So Google will get help from those details and would like fetch the right profile. Else what would happen, Google will treat those profile as a profile of other business. So don't make that mistake that many times people do, what they keep different names of the same business in all profiles. So don't commit that kind of mistake. Keep your business snap consistent everywhere, right? And here I will tell you, if that particular feature is available in your listing, then how you can edit it and how you can add your social media profile links. So I'm going to click on this pen, and here as you can see I have already added my Instagram link, right? If you want to add another social profile, then just click on this add profile button, and here you can select the YouTube and add social profile again, and here we can select the LinkedIn as well, as we are available on LinkedIn, and here we can select the Facebook as well, right? And Twitter and Pinterest as well, and we just need to enter the channel URL or LinkedIn page URL or like Facebook page URL, and simply click on save to add social media links to our Google My Business profile. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.